Hi, my name is Harry Lightfoot, and today we are on board the 2003 Discovery 55 VELA VE.
VELA VE is a very nice Discovery 55. Having had just 2 owners since new and always been sailed in fairly local waters, she has had many new items added over the years. Including the new owners who bought the boat in 2017, had her in our shed at Berthon last year, adding, as you can just see, new windows, you've got new navigation equipment and many other items. And as we are just have a look at the stern, making our way forward, you can have another glimpse at those windows, heading up into the top of the mast. She has the classic Discovery 55 rig. And as we just step on the boat, there's a really good view. You can see the mullions being painted black, so it makes it look all one as well. And that, say, was done at our shed at Berthon last year. And as we just make our way forward, she's got the classic Discovery 55 set up with your Saloon rig forward, twin furler. You have your electric windlass, excellent sail locker storage. You can see the lines of the self-tacking jib running back onto the track just in front of the mast, and your genoa sheets. On the mast you've got your pole. These boats have fantastic ability to go downwind when you're going goose-winged, as well as being able to sail very easily single-handed with all your lines leading aft into the cockpit. Including, you've got your electric in-mast main. And say that again, that runs back into the cockpit. When at sea, there shouldn't be any need to head up on deck. As we just head back into your cockpit, stern, you got your davits, the dinghy attached. Really nice big gin and tonic seats at the stern there. And looking back, you're looking into your classic Discovery 55 cockpit. Nice big centre cockpit, loads of space. Really nice and safe space to be while at sea. And VELA VE is no exception. And as we just step into the cockpit, you can see an example of the lines leading aft. Here you have a nice electric winch for the main. So this can be brought in and out from that point. Looking back into the famous Discovery 55 hot tub. And on the central pedestal here, where your wheel is, you've got your brand new Raymarine plotter. You've got your brand new autopilot, bow thruster. You've got your electric winches. Everything really can be controlled very easily. Wind, depth, speed. And as we just look into the main saloon, you can see this is sort of set up. You can be able to look out on all weathers. Gives you a really good view of those brand new windows. Really nice and clear. Up on the raised chart table, again, you've got your brand new Raymarine plotter. All communication equipment can be done from here, including great visibility forward. So while at sea, you can be down below and be able to see all around you. The upholstery was done in 2021 and has a really nice feel to it. You've got your Discovery compass, the table with folding eaves. We make our way down to the linear galley. Again, these boats have been very well designed. At all weathers, you can hold on to many places. You've got twin stainless steel sinks, including a slightly lowered drying rack. Nice big cooker, gas cooker. In here you've got your freezer, and then twin fridge. Galley again has really clever storage. We're into the master cabin. You see all the joinery and the woodwork is in excellent condition. including a slightly more colourful upholstered seat. So you have fans in each cabin. And looking round, you get access to that bed, both port and starboard. Really nice and light and airy. So we went back into the ensuite. The blue Corian. Again, clever storage behind the head. And you go into your walk-in shower. And a very clever place to have your washing machine. It's tucked just behind the shower. With these Discovery 55s, you have this really good space for your engine room. Access to all your major components within the boat. Get access from here. Really good walk-in engine room. Boat has had an extensive servicing of the engine, all mainly last year. A lot of the stuff was done here at Berthon. That fully soundproofed engine room. So let's make our way back into the aft cabin. One final look at that fun upholstered seat. You also have it on the headboard. So plenty of opening hatches, hanging space, storage cupboards. So as we make our way back along the galley, you can see with that brand new upholstery done last year, looking really good. You've got your little pilot berth just to the starboard there, often more likely used as storage. The VELA VEE has the optional extra watertight door. Again, just a nice little safety feature as we head into the forward cabin. Your classic double bed, clever storage forward. You have your full length hanging lockers. And into the Pullman's cabin on the port side, twin bunk set up. Again, really in excellent condition. And then you have your forward head, matching blue Corian. You get space for your walk-in shower. Where you have a look at this watertight bulkhead for the door, so that can be fully cut off if needed. Of course, hopefully that would not be needed. Again, as we make our way back into the saloon, you've got easy grab hails for while at sea. You've got your pilot berth just to the left there. Having another good look at that saloon, really nice raised saloon space. New lamps were added to this boat as well. Heading back up into the cockpit. This really is a lovely example of a Discovery 55 that has been very well looked after by both owners and is now ready for her next adventures.